Mr. Speaker, I wish to second this motion. And Mr. Speaker, in seeking this short extension to the National Dialogue Committee's term, we are simply exercising abundance of caution, as rightly put by the Honorable Ichungwa. Because, as a matter of fact, we may not actually need those 30 days. But since we are aware that the Senate is going on recess on the 19th of this month, it would only be advisable that we take this precaution, that we act proactively, so that we get this committee given the life it requires to undertake its work to conclusion. Mr. Speaker, if there's something we have learned throughout the term of this committee so far, is that Kenyans of all walks of life, Kenyans of various backgrounds, Kenyans of diverse schools of thought have come before us in the committee to express themselves robustly on issues they feel strongly about, issues they feel this committee should deal with, over and above even the issues that we had outlined earlier on. The Speaker, we have seen, for instance, far-reaching recommendations coming forth from the judiciary, from the Supreme Court, from the Council of Governors, from the Council of the County Assemblies Forum. They have all come before us to make all representations with far-reaching recommendations, including the clamor to introduce a World Development Fund, which was never in the initial agenda, Mr. Speaker. The clamor to entrench devolution, to make devolution work, Mr. Speaker, by strengthening the counties by way of increasing their revenue, their share of national revenue, equitable share of revenue, and so on and so forth. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, I can say with a lot of confidence that this committee has done extremely well so far, and Kenyans should not lose hope. Mr. Speaker, I have seen the media trying to run with the narrative that the committee is giving preference, or is giving prominence, is giving preferential treatment to issues that don't concern Kenyans. Mr. Speaker, if you look at the issues which are on the table, they are all issues to do with the people. They are neither Azimio nor Kenya Kwanza issues as we speak. They are Kenyan issues. And Mr. Speaker, I also want to say this as I conclude, that even the matter of the cost of living, which obviously is covered under Article 43 issues, is an issue that the committee is properly seized of. And I've always said that this committee will not complete its work without addressing itself to the matter of the cost of living. The matter of the cost of living. And I also want to echo what Honorable Ichungwa said, that this committee, its establishment and proceedings have had the effect of calming the country. And the country has been able to move as a unit, Mr. Speaker, insofar as these talks are concerned. So we expect, Mr. Speaker, that if the House, in its wisdom, can grant us that extension, we shall be able to now undertake the final bit of this work. As a matter of fact, Mr. Speaker, the real negotiations started just last Thursday. On Thursday last week and on Friday is when we now had real negotiations happening. Because previously we have had to listen to the public, members of the public and agencies and groups. Now real negotiations have just started, and the speed at which we are moving, it is highly encouraging. Mr. Speaker, I don't want to say any more than that, and I wish to plead that honorable members kindly grant the committee the extension that it is seeking. With that, I second.
Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members in the walkway. Order. Take your seats.